Hello, good afternoon. I want to teach you how you can make hair cream. This is your color, your perfume, Laoli, vitamin E, your shea butter, your menthol crystal, your paraffin wax, petroleum jelly, your paraffin oil. Then after you have add your paraffin oil inside the low medium gas stove, you put on your stove. You put on a low medium, you carry on it. After you have put your jelly, everything will be dissolved, your wax. Then you move to your shea butter. You put your shea butter. This one is to give your hair nutrient. This is your shea butter. You add little to it so that it can dissolve. After that, you add your jelly. You add your petroleum jelly. After adding your jelly, you add your Laoli. So we let our jelly to dissolve. We let it to dissolve. So let our jelly to dissolve properly. Cut from our Laoli. This is our Laoli. We add it to it. We stir it so that it can dissolve quickly. Cut again from our Laoli, add it to it. This Laoli helps our hair a lot to grow. We add our menthol crystal. We add our menthol crystal, we add little. If it's too much, it's not good. We add little. Just time is dissolved. We add our vitamin E. At this point, we need to drop it from the flame. We need to off our gas. We need to have off our gas. This is it. Our gas now is off. We add our vitamin E to it. This is our vitamin E. We add it to it. This is our vitamin E. This is our vitamin E. We stir it. Then we add our color. Add our color to it. This is our color. This oil color. This is yellow. This oil color. This is our color. We allow it to cool now before we add our perfume. Everything is set. We allow it to cool before we add our perfume. We drop it down so that it can cool a bit. Then we add our perfume to it. This is the end. This is our hair cream. Must remain for it to be, once it cool, it's going to be solidified. These are our ingredients once again: menthol crystal, vitamin E, lanolin. This is our perfume. This is our paraffin wax, petroleum jelly. This is our paraffin oil. This is our color, and this is our container for our hair cream. We're going to put our hair cream here for our container. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more video.